So guys, welcome back to City Station, and today we are going to study about population explosion. This population explosion is a nice topic and you will get an interest in it. So let's start with our population explosion. So let's go. Sorry guys. Yeah. So first is, what is population explosion? Population explosion refers to the number of people. Refers to the number of people that live in an area. It's a major issue for developing countries. Although the government is not taking proper measures to control this problem, besides it generates many issues in the country that cause many problems for the people. What is major cause of population explosion? High blood birth rate is a major cause responsible for the rapid growth of population. Population explosion gives rise to a number of social problems. It leads to migration of people from rural areas to the urban areas, causing the growth of slum areas. People live in most unhygienic and unsanitary conditions. Unemployment and poverty lead to frustration and anger among educated people. 5 effects of overpopulation. The protection of natural resources. The effects of overpopulation are quite severe. Degradation of environment, conflicts and wars, rise in unemployment and high cost of living. What are the major reasons for the population explosion? The major factors responsible for population explosions are illiteracy, reduced mortality, increased birth rate, and life expectancy. What caused human overpopulation? Image result for human overpopulation. Cause of overhuman population. Causes of overhuman population are different for many countries but are mostly associated with poverty, reduced mortality rates, poor medical access, poor contraceptive use, as well as immigration. With overpopulation comes a decrease in source and an increase in symptoms and of illness. What is an example of human overpopulation? Overpopulation causes traffic problems. When you wait longer with your car, you cause atmospheric pollution. In some instances, overpollution causes wars and conflicts, such as some parts of Africa. Overpopulation led heavy use of resources, including China. Many scientists think Earth has a maximum carrying capacity of 9 billion to 10 billion people. One such scientist, the eminent Harvard University sociobiologist Edward O. Wilson, bases his estimated calculations of the Earth's available resources. How do we stop overpopulation? Generously fund family planning programs, make modern consultation legal, free and available everywhere, even in the remote areas. Improve healthcare to reduce infant and child mortality. Overpopulation. Stop overpopulation. Thank you. Have a great day.